Hare Krishna. Now I will tell you the story of Radharani defeats Krishna in the dice game. Once Krishna and Radharani were sitting together and they were talking. Krishna said, "Oh Radhika, from so many days I have not played dice, so now I have a desire to play dice. Will you play dice with me?" Then Lalita laughed and said, "Oh Krishna, every time you want to play dice with Radharani and then you get defeated, then also you want to play the next time. Now still you want to play, you will get defeated. Are you sure to play dice with Radharani?" Then Krishna said, "Yes, I want to play. See, today I will show you. I will win and I will show everybody that I am very good at playing dice." Then Lalita said, which kind of dice you will play? You don't know to throw dice also properly. You and what you will do exchange with Radharani. Radharani has so many jewels and necklace, bangles and all she can give you if she loses. If you lose, what you can give? You just have a bamboo flute with you." Then Krishna said, "You can take my bamboo flute. I will give that to Radharani. But see, this time I will only win and Radharani has to give jewelries to me." Then Lalita said, "All the jewelry she will not give. You are giving only one bamboo flute and she will also give one necklace." Then Krishna agreed to it and Radharani said, then Lalita took the flute from Krishna and Radharani said that, "Why I have to give my necklace? Anyway, I am going to win. Then Krishna has only to give bamboo flute." Then Lalita said, yes, we all agree that you are going to win. But as per the rules of the game, you have to give your necklace to me, then to give to Krishna if he wins. After then they started the game. First Krishna threw the dice and like this they were playing, and when Radharani was looking, it is said that Krishna plays the flute and he attracts everybody. But when Radharani comes and looks her sidelong glances to Krishna, that time all the flute and the pagdi of Krishna will fall down. Like this Krishna cannot control himself when Radharani glances upon Krishna. So when they were playing the game, Radharani was glancing her sidelong glances on Krishna, and when she was moving and she was casting her sidelong glances, Krishna couldn't control himself and he didn't knew what he was doing. He was throwing which number. He didn't knew that which number he was saying, what he had to do to win and all. Then he told to Lalita and all the other gopis, "This is cheating. Radharani is looking, casting her sidelong glances on me, and she is doing moving and all, and I am not able to play. She is disturbing me." Then Lalita said that you are not able to play because of your fickleness. You don't steady your mind. Your mind is always running here and there. You fix your mind on the game and then you can play. Then Krishna said, "But what? Tell her to stop her glancing upon me." But Krishna said, then Krishna became proud and he said, "Why I am afraid of Radharani? She can do anything, but I will win the game today." Then like this the game was going on. Krishna was telling to 4 and it was coming the opposite number which he was saying, but when Radharani was seeing the number, the dice showed the exact number. This way, after 2-3 chances, Radharani won the game and they took the flute. Then Krishna said that, "Okay, now game is over, you are all happy now, Radharani has won. Now you see, next time we will play again and I will win and show." Then Lalita said, "How you will win? Radharani is full of knowledge and she knows all the arts and she is best at everything. That's why she can win. You know only to play the flute." Then Krishna said, at least I know that. Now I have to go to graze the cows. Now you give me back my flute. I want to play my flute, and then only I can call all the cows and we can go to graze the cows. Then give me back the flute. Then Lalita said, you are very expert in cheating. See what you are done. You told that after playing, if you lose, you have to give your flute. Then why are you taking your flute back? Then Krishna said, just give me my flute. I want my flute. Then the Lalita and the Gopi said, you are telling very lies. If you want the flute back, then you have to give me something in return. Then Krishna said, I have only two things, my mind and my mind and my flute. Then Radharani has taken my mind. Then you can give me my flute. At least one thing you give me back. Then the Gopi said, oh, I don't see Radharani catching your mind. Then Krishna said that she has hidden my mind in her heart, and she is not giving me back. At least give me the flute. Like this, after a long argument, the gopis returned Krishna's flute. Then Krishna with his flute, playing his flute, he went with the gopas to graze the cows, and Radharani with her gopis, she went to her house. Hare Krishna.